Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 91. If you are trying to play Rocket League and you keep hitting error 91, don't worry, this is the common connection error, and in this video I will show you the simplest way to fix it. Something that the server are down or under maintenance. If that the cause error 91, not your fault. Waiting a little while often the only fix. Fully close the game and reopen it. This refresh the connection to the server and fix the error meantime. You can also unplug your modem and router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This clear connection issues that can cause error 91. And make sure your internet is stable. If you are on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or switching to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. You can also restart your phone. This clear small system glitch that can cause online connection block. And make sure the game is fully updated. An outdated version can cause connection error like error 91. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.